guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a get ready with me, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I get ready for school. My makeup routine is really easy to do but also really cute, so I'm showing y'all what I do for that. I'm also showing y'all a little bit of hair snippet. This is a sponsored video. We love sponsored videos. So this video is being sponsored by a company called Dsoar Hair. Check them out. I'm gonna let y'all watch this get ready with me makeup tutorial, whatever you want to call it, for school. And yeah, talk to you guys later. Bye. Mwah. Okay guys, so the first thing I do is brush my teeth, of course. Who doesn't brush their teeth in the morning? We love that. Next, I'm going to be washing my face with my African black soap. This is like the best thing since the toaster strudel. I love black soap. That's the only thing that keeps my skin nice and clear. That's the only thing I use on my skin. Now I'm going to be doing my eyebrows, and just simple. You already know how it goes. Simple eyebrows, whatever. And then here for my eyes, I'm just using one shadow. I've been doing like just one shadow recently. I haven't been doing like a couple shadows in the crease, some shadows in the lid. Like I've just been doing a simple look for school recently. So this is just a regular brown eyeshadow from MAC in the color Swiss Chocolate. And then I'm going to be putting some liner on. I always have to wear liner. I just feel like it completes my look and makes me look awake and just yummy. Webcam girl is back. Before y'all come for me, I know I look like I have a unibrow, but I fixed that, okay? Continue watching the video before you comment anything, because I fixed it, okay? So yeah. Next, I'm going to be putting on some primer. This is some Sephora primer. I love this stuff. It makes my foundation stay on all day, and I really needed this because even though this is like a school morning routine type of thing, I was in LA when I filmed this, and I went to a fashion show later on that day, and I need my makeup to be popping all day. Next, I'm putting on some Sephora foundation. I really like the Sephora section in the Sephora store just because they have really good affordable products, but their quality is really good as well. So yeah, this is my favorite foundation. I love it. Next, I'm going to be highlighting my face. This is my LA Girls highlight, or sorry, my LA Girls concealer. I believe it's in the color Fawn. But yeah, I'm just putting this all over everywhere I want to be highlighted, and yes. Next, I'm going to be baking with my banana powder. As you can see, I was in a heated argument with somebody in this hotel room. I don't even know who I was talking to, but I'm baking my face with this powder, and I'm dusting it right off just so I don't have any cakey finish or anything like that. Like I said, I went to a fashion show later on, and we took pictures and all that stuff. So yeah, and yeah, this is my contour from Fenty. Here I'm going to be putting on some highlight from MAC, and this is in the color Gold Deposit. I've literally had this highlight since like I was in 10th grade, and it still looks brand new. It's not like hit pan yet. It's awesome. Okay, so lastly, all I'm doing is touching up my frontal and just making it look really natural. They sent me 3 bundles of 2 20-inch bundles and 1 20-inch bundle, and then they also sent me an 18-inch frontal, and that's how I constructed this unit. Yeah, so the hair was cool to work with. I enjoyed it, playing around with it or whatever. But yeah, y'all, this is me like just straightening it out and slaying it and all that jazz. And that's pretty much the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did enjoy this video, please give me a big old thumbs up. I love you guys all so much. I think the ending of this video is just me finishing my hair up and brushing it out and stuff. But yeah, y'all, I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.
Last girl signed in the divorce, so now I'm focused on the arm. Just trying to make the whole crowd go nuts. We don't know no one like you. Old girls and you dance like Michael. No ice, no Swiss, no kite. Look. Wait, we just wanna make you go psycho. Put $100,000 in the Bible.